Hi, so now I'm just going to give you an example of if you wanted to check if someone was available or a team were available to speak to someone before you do the transfer. So incoming call comes through to the service, we accept the call and answer. I can talk to that person, I can chat with them, they can ask me if they can be put through to a particular team. Before I put them through though, I might want to check, so I can press this little pause button and that will put the caller on hold. They will hear on hold music. While that's going on, I can quickly phone the complex cases team. I can answer the phone. I can talk to the person in the complex cases team, see if it's okay to put the call through. If they say yes, I can hang up that call, return to my other call, and then transfer them through. Then the participant can talk to the complex cases team.